Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love AI tools, video editing, YouTube shorts, or creating cinematic content with artificial intelligence, then you're going to love today's video. Today, we're taking a look at Video Express AI 3.0, the latest version of this powerful AI video creation platform that comes packed with brand new features and major upgrades. Creating cinematic videos, viral shorts, and professional content is becoming easier than ever thanks to AI technology. And today, we're going to review one of the most exciting AI video tools right now, Video Express AI 3.0. This latest version comes with major upgrades that make video creation faster, smarter, and much more powerful for content creators. The first big update is the all-new AI models. Video Express AI 3.0 now uses newer AI technology, capable of generating more realistic visuals, smoother motion, and better overall video quality. The second upgrade is native sound and speaking. This means the AI can now generate more natural voices and realistic speaking directly inside the platform. Another impressive feature is two-way conversations. AI characters can now interact with each other in realistic conversations, with better lip sync and more natural expressions. Video Express AI 3.0 also supports longer videos, allowing users to create videos up to 10 seconds long. This is perfect for cinematic scenes, storytelling, and more dynamic AI-generated content. And one of the coolest updates is Smart Edit prompt-based editing. Simply type instructions using text prompts, and the AI will automatically edit your video based on your commands. Besides the new updates, Video Express AI 3.0 also includes a complete set of editing tools. There's a media library to organize and manage all your video assets in one place. The Create with AI section gives users access to powerful AI generation tools.
You can also use import media to upload your own videos and images. For creators who love stylish edits, there are text animations and filters to make videos look more cinematic and professional. If you create shorts or TikTok content, the Fast Cut feature helps speed up the editing process automatically. Video Express AI also includes automatic captions, making subtitle generation fast and effortless. And for audio editing, there's an audio cutter feature that allows you to trim music and sound directly inside the editor. Now let's explore the Create with AI features, which are the main attraction of Video Express AI 3.0. First, there's Create Video from Prompt. Just type a scene description and the AI generates the video automatically.
Next is Text to Video, which transforms written text into cinematic video content within minutes. There's also Smart Edit, where AI helps automate the editing process. With Image to Video, you can turn static images into animated video scenes. The Lipsync video feature creates realistic mouth movements synchronized with speech. Outpainting allows users to expand images using AI-generated visuals. AI SoundMaker helps generate AI-based sound effects and audio. And finally, Inpainting lets you remove or replace specific parts of an image or video using AI. When it comes to pricing, Video Express AI offers a one-time payment for lifetime access, so there are no monthly subscription fees. And the good news is, you can also get a discount through the link in the video description below. If you want to try Video Express AI 3.0, check out the official discount link below. In my opinion, Video Express AI 3.0 is perfect for YouTube Shorts creators, TikTok creators, AI video editors, and even beginners who want to create cinematic AI videos quickly and easily. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.